Welcome to episode 2, drifting live bait at the crack of 11:10. Well, episode 2's off to a rough start. One missed fish. Hey, so far the hat's staying on the head.
Yeah.
Watch this master angler. That could be a bite.
Is that what it looks like when you get a bite?
Yeah, something like that, I think.
I enjoy the flavor of the anchovy.
Wow. You angled the hell out of that thing.
Here he is, here he is.
Oh, he's nettable. This is a keeper.
I don't think that's a halibut. That's
Could be a halibut.
Yeah.
Had my toes in the water. I was chilling myself out. My rod went off and now Jason's got it. Not that good.
That might be.
Oh!
Yeah. You really didn't want him there.
Okay.
That usually works better.
Okay, right up.
Just keep with your strengths, guys.
A little bigger than the
We
last.
definitely gave him a chance.
Oh.
Yeah! You do what you do, I'll do what I do. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, look at that beauty.
Hey! Woohoo! That seems to be working pretty good.
Yeah.
It's a hat holder.
Yeah. Just
See, like I got a strap. See here? And it blows off. Look at it. Oh no!
poor
God dang it! Jesus!
It was a good beer.
He was just there a little while ago now.
We've got bad tides today. It's 90 degrees out, so I'm gonna do a little boat cleaning. Get some of this grime up. Let's get to some spraying, huh? All right, she's all cleaned up. Good day's work. She wanted to go out fishing on her anniversary. Very romantic.
I think it is romantic.
Got some great weather here. We finally got one. A little golden eye. What do you think, Michelle?
I think it's better than the fish you haven't caught yet.
Got a nice sippy cup there.
Gotta have a sippy cup, especially red wine.
Oh, probably pull the rod right into the ocean. You know, that ray.
Oh, isn't he cute?
Jaws, where's Jaws? First trip, salmon trip. Got the crew here. That's good weather.
Yeah, let's go get them.
Any predictions?
Say there's a very good chance that watermelon apex gets used.
Good prediction. All right, let's go get them.
Stoked to be out here.
All right, Dave's gonna get one here. Once he gets in the water, though, I mean, eventually he's gonna get down there. It's like Mike K. How does he feel?
Felt pretty good.
I thought he felt pretty good too. That drag's a little loose.
That's good.
Here he is. Right up. This is black guy. Apex time! No!
Look, I got one.
Oh, he's alive!
He's alive.
I don't like his chances, but at least put him, nice release. Not the targeted species. All right, I got awesome today.
Oh yeah.
Look at the garden on this man.
That's
Sexy.
8 weeks of COVID in action
A
right
little
there.
COVID girl.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it. All right, we're gonna get some halibut today. Get out. That ain't normal. Awesome setup for his conference call. Makes
That's how you get work done.
Don't sweat it, homie. See, if I get one, I'll let you know.
All right, thanks, brother.
All right, good luck in your meeting.
He's good. Bending that right.
Oh shit, wait till you'll get him.
Yeah. Awesome was having a getting out of meeting, and
I gotta get some work done.
whew. Nice halibut water. doing some amazing work. Surgeon, look at that. Watch them teeth. Nice job, Austin. Thanks. Get bigger, buddy. Bigger than, hey, nice job. Nice job getting the hook up. Can you explain those blue pants?
These are what's called camouflage.
The okay. So the halibut won't see your pants.
No, it's a reflective situation.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
I'm glad I asked.
Yeah, give me another beer.
Yeah, cool, thanks.
Do a slow load.
What do you think?
I think it's a good fish.
Yeah, good halibut. That might be your first keeper halibut.
This is my first keeper.
Look at it.
This is like fishing in the ocean. Yeah, that's a keeper.
That was an interesting experience. Oh, is he pissed? All right, that's what we're talking about. Woo! Clean them up. Going out for a salmon trip, 6 in the morning. And guys, what we're looking for today, I need a climax and a closing scene. We got to bring this episode around.
Is this a comedy or a tragedy or what is this?
So far, it's been a tragedy thanks to you. So the goal on this trip for this episode, I want you guys to try to catch the fish. It was fun that you missed that one to create the drama and the arc. I like it. I liked it a lot. So we built character. Now we're gonna catch them. All right. So halibut didn't work out for us.
Salmon. A drinker.
So salmon didn't work out for us. Now I have had one beer.
Had 5.
Flabbergasted. You can't catch a salmon.
Look what I got. Fishing halibut.
You can catch a halibut.
Catch a crab. Not empty-handed. Oh, we got porpoises everywhere.
10 more minutes.
God damn it! We're not out here to look at porpoises. All right, we're going on a salmon run. Salmon 2020. It's been a weird year. Hey, we haven't got a salmon yet this year. That ought to do it. The goal today is to get it in the boat. Okay? We've built enough character. Let's do it.
Do it.
Get close. He's going about the same speed we are, I think. Come on, tail. I turned into him accidentally. We whale watching, Bill?
We're not catching anything. We might as well whale watch.
Might as well whale watch. That guy was about 30 feet from the boat, maybe. He's going between these. Oh boy.
Dave.
I'm turning. Oh yeah, that's gonna look good on the GoPro, yo.
Yeah, keep it starboard if you can, Dave.
It might be off. It's off.
No. Yeah, you got him.
You got him, bud.
It's not a shaker.
Did you guys switch positions?
Bill, other way. It's been a long time, Bill. Don't trust me with the net.
Don't adjust the ground.
Well, this
Fish is not coming in.
get around that water if he goes down. If he sounds, go down. Good job.
He's off.
No, he's on.
Rod in the water.
I knew it wasn't a shaker when I grabbed it. Thanks, Bill. Keep out of that motor. Go over there. Go down there. Go down. Go back to the end. Go back. Reel.
I think tank it up to move on.
Okay. The 2020 cluster. We wouldn't want it any other way, boys. Bill, your line is way in front of the boat.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Yeah, do what you're doing. Yeah, Adam. Alright, you're clear.
do,
Just keep
Jason.
doing what you're doing. Oh, get back towards me, Bill. Perfect. Did he stop?
He's off.
No, he's on, Bill. I can see him. He's tired. He's real tired. Imagine. Frank. Your lights give loose, so it's good. It's good. Here, this is where we get them. Right here. This is where we get them. Lift up. Pull back. Got him, Bill. You're in there. You're in the house. Up, lift up. Lift up. Don't lose pressure. Got it, buddy. Oh no, that was siren. That's a nice fish.
I think it's a shaker.
That's it.
No, it's like a 25.
Oh, shit.
Yeah,
That is bigger than I thought it was. I thought it must be
yeah.
fucking hog.
This is the guy right here.
Have we bonked him yet?
No, well, I thought you said that was a shaker. I hate to give up Bill's secret, but blue herring seem to do the trick.